How to layer object in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make layers of different objects. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. So here you can insert the images that you want. So here I'm tapping on one. Now again, in order to create layer, you must insert other objects and photos. So you can choose different photos, or you can even add shapes to it. So first add different type of photos and objects. Now here you can select the one. So here on the bottom you'll be able to see layers option. Tap on layers. So as you can see, these are the layering done. Now you can adjust the layers however you want. So you can bring one into the top and other to the top. So here there are different options available and you can customize it accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.